What's up guys, this is Matthew. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out derivative of square root of x squared plus 1 multiplied by square root of x plus 1 to the power of 3. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have, square root is the same as to the power of 1/2. So it's gonna be to the power of 1/2 times square root of x plus 1 to the power of 3 to the power of 1/2. So that's going to be x squared plus 1 to the power of 1/2 times root x plus 1 to the power of 3 over 2. Then we can use product rule. Product rule is saying that derivative of uv is going to be u prime v plus uv prime. So derivative of the first one, which is going to be 1 over 2 times x squared plus 1 to the power of 1 over 2 minus 1 times derivative of x squared plus 1, which is 2x, times square root of x plus 1 to the power of 3 over 2, plus this part times derivative of this part, x squared plus 1 to the power of 1 over 2 times 3 over 2 times square root of x plus 1 to the power of 3 over 2 minus 1 is going to be 1 over 2 times derivative of root x plus 1, which is going to be 1 over 2 root x. Then, now let's simplify it. It's going to be 1 over 2 times 2, they cancel out, so we have just x times root x plus 1 to the power of 3 over 2 divided by square root of x squared plus 1 plus, here we have 3 over 2 divided by 2, 3 over 4 times square root of x squared plus 1 times square root x plus 1 divided by root x. So that's going to be the final answer to this question. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra practice question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.